When was The Wind That Shakes the Barley released? Have you ever wondered about the films that capture the essence of Irish culture? One such film is The Wind That Shakes the Barley. This powerful piece of cinema takes you on a journey through Ireland's turbulent history. Directed by Ken Loach, it premiered at the prestigious Cannes Film Festival on May 18, 2006. This event marked the start of its international journey, showcasing the film to audiences around the world. Just a month later, on June 23, 2006, The Wind That Shakes the Barley was released in the United Kingdom and Ireland. This timing was significant as it coincided with the film's themes of struggle and resilience. Shortly after, it made its way to Australia during the Sydney Film Festival on June 25, 2006. For those in the United States, the film had a limited releases starting on March 16, 2007. This staggered releases allowed audiences in different regions to experience the film's emotional depth and historical context. The Wind That Shakes the Barley tells the story of two brothers who join the Irish Republican Army. Their journey takes a dramatic turn as they find themselves on opposite sides during the Irish Civil War. This narrative not only reflects personal conflict but also highlights the broader struggles of the Irish people during a pivotal time in their history. As you travel through Ireland, watching this film can provide a richer understanding of the country's past. It offers a glimpse into the lives of those who fought for independence and the sacrifices they made. The film's historical accuracy and emotional storytelling make it a must-see for anyone interested in Irish culture and history. Visiting historical sites in Ireland after watching The Wind That Shakes the Barley can deepen your appreciation for the events depicted in the film. It connects you to the struggles of the Irish people and the fight for their freedom. So, if you are planning a trip to Ireland, consider adding this film to your must-watch list. It will not only entertain you but also enrich your travel experience.